Right now it's around 6 p.m. A lot of traffic going on. People going to work, going back home from work. So yeah, it's like chaos right now in Phnom Penh. Just gonna go down Street 136. It's up ahead over here, I believe. Or it's the next street. I think it's the next street. Yeah, this is Cambodia right now for you. Phnom Penh. Yeah, it's the next street up ahead. Right now, it's true. We only know Street 144. Well, I'm trying to walk across here. You gotta be really careful when you walk through these intersections. Okay, I believe the next street is Street 136. Street 136 is the main Hostess street in Phnom Penh. It has the most Hostess bars. I believe there's around 26 and over. A lot of good bars here. That's the best Hostess bars in Phnom Penh, I believe so. I always have the funnest times here. And you know, these bars can be open 24 hours if there's customers in the bar still. You won't just shut them down at 3:30, 4. If there's a customer in the bar, they stay open, man. It's a good thing, I guess, for them. And it's tough getting across this intersection here, though. Really tough right now. Oh man, chaos. Okay, make a run. Kiwi Mart, right there. Get beer, whatever you want. Alright, here we go. Street 136. I hope the ladies don't get angry at me. I'm not here to film them, I'm just here to film all the bars, what's on the street. So hopefully they understand that. This guy's honking at me. He's honking at all the others. Oh man, look at that. You see, there's a lot of restaurants here as well. Guest houses, hotels, laundry shops, massage parlors, convenience stores. There's a lot of people live here. Up on the top. And up ahead on my far right, that white hotel with the 2 yellow circles, that's the Sun Moon Urban Hotel. It's a great hotel. It's probably one of the best hotels here. I stayed there once. It's expensive though. I mean, I was paying about 85 Canadian plus tax a night. I think right now I'm looking at 100 plus. They got an awesome rooftop pool, good food. They have a gym up there as well. If you got the money to spend, that's where you stay. You're in prime area. So got a noodle shop here. Cheap. There it is. Sun Moon Urban Hotel. We'll walk across here. And the intersection. Whoa. Yeah, really gotta be careful when you walk around here. Got a convenience store right across from that hotel, from the Sun Moon. There it is. There's a convenience store right there, right across. Very convenient. Sun Moon. Great. Another hotel, that's another hotel, the Queenwood Hotel on my left. Queenwood Fork and Spoon Sky Bar. I guess they have a Sky Bar up top. The restaurants here, Lemon 2 Bar, Sweet Lemon 2 Bar, the Pixie Bar, massage, salon right there. You gotta be careful here sometimes, you don't know, maybe they might snatch your camera, so I gotta hold tightly to that when I'm my camera here. Alright. Still on 136. We're gonna try to walk all the way down to Riverside. Here's another convenience store, Smile. I think that's open 24 hours, so that's really convenient as well. Get up from here. There we go. All right. Have the balls to go through here at this time of hour, I guess, with this thing. Let's do it. That's the bar. Drink. Good place. Wild Orchard Bar. It's a great bar. Secrets. Secrets Club. Secrets Bar and Club Hotel. You can stay here as well. Route 136 Bar. I had a few drinks. A lot of nice girls here. Corner 136 bar. Okay, Crazy Dogs. Here it is. Candy bar, it's open 24 hours. Spider-Man bar, Hello Sweetie bar, Best 136 bar. There's so many bars here. Hard to name them all, but you can see. 69 bar. There's a Lux Hotel. I stayed here for a couple nights at a standard room for 45 bucks Canadian plus tax. So the room was decent. Actually, it was really comfortable bed. And awesome location, obviously. No swimming pool, but just a good place to, if you want to stay right where everything is. Oh La La restaurant and bar here. We got more bars here. Let's see. Hey! I'm not filming you, I'm filming the bars. And all the way down the riverside. There we have it. That's Street 136. All the way down to the riverside. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Pattaya Slyman and enjoy your life. Cheers.